fourth migration is that of whales. Every year in September and October, millions of giant whales come to Hermanus from Russia and spend a few months here and go back. This tradition has been going on in Hermanus for hundreds of years. At the end of September, people stand on the rocks and wait for the whales. As soon as they see the first whale, they sound the bugle and inform the whole city. Hearing this bugle, people come out of their homes and stand on the beach holding hands and bow down to welcome the fishes.
Is it too much to ask? Is it too much?
Zigzag News explores nature.